Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. Today we are solving one previous year question from paper of TIFR GS Biology. Parietal cells of the stomach release hydrochloric acid to aid in digestion. Why are parietal cells themselves not digested by HCl? Okay, the options given are: first is they contain inhibitory enzyme that inactivate the HCl, or whether they are protected by mucus secreted by cells in gastric pit. Third option says HCl has to be activated by pepsinogen, which is released by peptic cells. And the last option says bicarbonate ions inside the parietal cells neutralize HCl. So let's see what are parietal cells, how they function to find the answer. Okay, so going option wise, first option says that parietal cell contain inhibitory enzyme that inactivate the HCl. See, parietal cells are the epithelial cells of the stomach. It secretes intrinsic factor and HCl. These does not contain any inhibitory enzymes to get protected from the HCl. So let's move to other options. यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि secretory epithelial cells of stomach. तो इसमें कौन कौन से cells आते हैं? These are mucus cells. There are parietal cells, chief cells and G cells are there. These are secretory cells in our stomach. So what do these secretes? Here mucus cells secretes the mucus which protects all these cells. See, this mucus is present around all the cells of all the epithelial cells present in our stomach. Parietal cells secrete HCl and intrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor is important for the absorption of vitamin B12. This G cells secrete hormone gastrin, which is helpful, which stimulates the parietal cell to secrete the HCl. And chief cells are there. Chief cells secrete the pepsin, which is a proteolytic enzyme. Now remember here that when chief cells secrete pepsin, it doesn't secrete it as a pepsin. It secretes it as a pepsinogen. When it comes out in a stomach, then it gets converted into pepsin and does its function. So in this way, the pepsin doesn't present in a chief cell and that doesn't act upon the chief cells. Chief cells protein we can say, right? In a similar way, when parietal cells secrete the HCl, they are also protected by the mucus layer. So due to this protection, the parietal cell itself does not get affected due to the presence of HCl in our stomach. Our third option says HCl has to be activated by pepsinogen, which is released by the peptic cell. मगर यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं है. पेप्सिनोजन का पेप्सिन कन्वर्ट होने के लिए HCl की जरूरत है. So HCl doesn't get activated by the pepsinogen, but pepsinogen get converted to pepsin in presence of HCl, and then it acts on a proteins present in our stomach. It's a proteolytic enzyme. तो C option गलत हो जाता है. Option D says bicarbonate ions inside the parietal cell neutralize HCl. See here, when we see the role of bicarbonate ions, first of all, these are secreted by foveolar cells and these are present in our stomach. These are not present in our parietal cells. Okay? Their role is to prevent the action of pepsin on the stomach cells. So along with mucus, just now we have seen that all the epithelial cells of stomach are protected by the mucus. So along with the mucus, These bicarbonate ions also protects the stomach cells against the action of pepsin, against the proteolytic enzyme pepsin. It acts as a buffer. It increases the pH of chyme. And now, due to this increase in pH, this is helpful for pancreatic digestive enzymes to work upon the chyme. Let's go through the question once again. Parietal cells of the stomach release hydrochloric acid to aid in digestion. Why are parietal cells themselves not digested by HCl? So with the discussion, we have found that option B is the answer for this question. They are protected by mucus secreted by cells in gastric pit. So, according to me, the answer B is the correct answer for this question. Here, I have concluded with today's video. I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.